This is my nan. She's an ordinary lady who likes to do ordinary things. And I've managed to persuade her, I don't know how, to learn how to edit in DaVinci Resolve. It's time for my nan to finally step up.
Okay, everyone, you can stop waving now.
I'm going to exploit my nan for views and clout. I'm going to expose her to an editing challenge like no other against one of my inexperienced editing friends, Toby. And I will be answering the question of, can a 76-year-old actually edit in DaVinci Resolve? Welcome to a very, very different video on the channel. Will it be simple? Will it be hard? Who knows? My name's Dan, and you're watching DanVinci. Let's jump into it. The goal is very, very simple. I'm going to get my friend Toby, with very limited editing experience other than the occasional iMovie edit, to set the baseline time. My friend Toby is going to edit a very simple video, and I'm going to get my nan to do the same, only I'm going to help her edit it faster. But first, let's meet the very special lady herself and see what she thinks of this incredible competition. It's incredible.
I'm sure it is.
I'll at least help you. You'll get somewhere.
He's laughing already at the shambles I'm going to make. I love the confidence. Keep saying you'll be fine.
Yeah, but
so that the whole 20,000 viewers can laugh. That's built my confidence. I'm feeling a mixture of, okay, I'm gonna have a go, and I would love to beat these youngsters.
Let's talk about the ground rules. Rule number 1. I'm not allowed to help Toby, although he is allowed 3 wild cards. And what I mean by wild card is, what do I mean by wild card? As in, I can help him, but only 3 times. And rule number 2, I can help my nan in pretty much any way possible, only I'm not allowed to touch the keyboard. I'm only allowed to communicate and maybe point at the most extreme circumstances. Because if I didn't, this video wouldn't get anywhere. My nan doesn't really know a lot with computers, so yeah. And rule number 17, contestants are not allowed to sleep or eat at any point during the competition. Yes. Now let's show you what the contestants will be trying to create. I have made a reference clip which both my nan and Toby will be trying to replicate for themselves. Once they've replicated this clip, that's it, they're done. Now I know this clip doesn't look like much, but there are little features to it that make it a little bit challenging for a very, very entry-level editor. So now that we've seen the clip that they need to create and establish the rules, let's start the competition. Roll the timer.
I'm not already. What do I have to do?
Well, you have to make it.
How?
If you... Oh, yeah. Oh, well done. Over here's your footage. Over here's your... Now, I've got to be honest here. Only 2 minutes in, and I was very quickly realising that my nan was going to struggle. And I mean a lot.
Meanwhile...
Okay, let's see if Dan can edit this video. I don't know how to edit.
So this is the clip you need to make.
See? It's not that hard. Yeah, I can do that. Boom.
Already incredible progress.
I haven't a clue what I'm doing. Hang on, that's the second one, so I need that one. After that.
So don't worry about the audio, I made
Okay.
it nice and simple, there's no audio.
No.
There you go,
Yeah.
you see, there you
Yeah,
go, you
yeah,
made
yeah.
a basic cut. I could see a glimmer of hope for my nan, but there was a long way to go yet, and anything could happen.
Oh, actually, I can't help you. I'm going to shut up. Brilliant.
Just so you know, don't panic.
Just so you know, don't panic. How?
I mean, you can use one of your 3 lives.
So I have 3 questions?
Yeah, you can ask a question. And
Why are you doing this to me? What is that text called?
Just use the search function and search text.
Oh, I've got to search text.
Yeah, just search text.
Oh, this is a... Oh!
Toby was making little mistakes at this point, and could be very costly for him if Toby wants to take the win from my nan. What you need to do is find, you see the tools at the top?
Tools at the top.
There's like a magnet tool,
Oh
there's...
yeah, these.
Yeah, that's it. So,
Is that a cut?
yes, bang on. Yeah, that's it, you know, because it's
Yeah.
like a blade.
Yeah. So,
Get it? See, you know some stuff. Now your cursor is a cutting tool, so when you go back onto that clip, you'll notice it's got a cut like symbol. So put your mouse over the clip. If you click that, now there you go. You've made a cut. You've made a cut.
Hey! Hey!
Meanwhile.
Have you played? Oh no. Balls.
Toby himself.
What do I win?
You win my love and respect.
Grab that,
Yeah.
click and hold it, then drag it over and put it above your footage in the timeline. That's it, that's it. Yeah, there you go, there we go. So now you've placed some text. You appear stressed.
No? Shut up.
So far, I'm quite impressed. Like most things you do, Toby.
It's like whatever, I guess.
At this point in the competition, I was starting to get nervous. Toby was flying ahead, but that doesn't mean my nan still can't win.
That's it. Keep going. You can do it. I believe in you. Go right. Right more. There we go. That's it. Put it between the two. Between the cat and the building. Between the cat and the building. Between the cat and the building. That's it. That's it. Now let go. Man, the pressure is on.
Your nan's going down.
You've got 2 more lives. Okay, I did not see this coming. He's
No,
going
I already-
rogue. He's
Okay.
using his prior knowledge from other softwares like iMovie.
Thanks, I think I'm done.
High five.
I did it!
But first, let's look at the results of their labour. With a combined duration of 39 minutes between them, this is what they made. Yes, my nan did lose the competition, but what really surprised me was not only the fact that she picked up DaVinci Resolve so quickly, but also she wasn't that far off. I was genuinely expecting to take an hour when filming this video. Big thank you to Yvonne, my nan, for being in this video, and Toby for both filming and being in the competition. He didn't really have a choice. I held him captive. But otherwise, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching a very different video. Don't worry, the tutorials will still very much be a thing. I have a few things in the pipeline that I am working on, so don't you worry, that stuff isn't going away. But otherwise, that's it. My name's Dan, you've watched DanVinci, and thank you for watching this very different video. How do I get down?
Subscribe.